So Heritage, it's predominantly a rimfire revolver. It has that classic single action look and single action function.
The strength of the line is the rimfire revolvers, a single action 22 revolver. It's available in 22 long rifle. We also make a combo version that's 22 long rifle, 22 Magnum. It's a very well-built revolver. It's easy to use. Again, it's an affordable revolver, which really makes it available to a wide array of people.
To make the Heritage revolver, we use a number of different processes to utilize the best manufacturing methods to make the best revolver that we can. Depending on what the part is, we use a number of precision CNC components, as well as MIM and stamp components to make the very best revolver. We make everything from the barrel, the cylinder, and the frame all in-house. In the barrel process, we go and we start off blanking it, gun drilling it, and rifling it before we finish it complete. And the cylinder process is very much the same way. There's a number of different steps that all require precision CNCs between lathes and mills, and a number of quality checks to make sure that each cylinder comes out right each time. The Heritage frame is an interesting part to make. All the frames start as a raw casting that we bring in and do all the precision CNC machining on them before we go and tumble, polish, and finish complete.
Heritage has been a great fit for our company. May of 2012 is when we actually moved all of the Heritage machinery and started manufacturing Heritage here within our plant at Taurus. We didn't really change very much about the revolver because there was nothing needed to be changed. The revolver itself functions very well. I think what we brought to it is that we were able to increase some of the capacity of building the revolver to reach more of the market demand for the product. We've also been able to do quite a few spin-offs and special makeups with the firearm. Now that we had additional capacity, we were able to do special grip options, special models for customers. We have quite an array of special makeups that we do from time to time, and that'll grow moving forward. And our plan is to grow that line and introduce not only new products within what we're doing, but new categories to the line as well.
So most people don't think that revolvers have safeties, but the Heritage revolver does. We have a safety right here that we actually make here in-house. It's made from MIM and precision ground to the tight tolerances that we need to hold the safety mechanism in check. The safety mechanism is what's called a hammer block safety. It works very simply. When it's in the up position, it prevents the hammer from striking the firing pin. When it's in the down position and disengage, it allows the hammer to go all the way back and strike the firing pin completely.
Heritage is again, provides the base for future manufacturing. It really gave us a platform. It gave us the skill set we need to move forward. We've been able to secure a lot of engineers from the industry to start building a US base. And that was the real key component to acquiring Heritage, is to have that base so that we can go out and source and look for qualified engineers and key people.
Want to know what's happening at American Rifleman? Follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook. We'll be right back.
All three Taurus brands, Heritage, Rossi, and Taurus, all have their distinct characters within the market. The Heritage revolvers have their place with the single action traditional 22 revolvers. The Rossi is really looking towards the rifles, the 22 rifles, the Model 92 rifles, and we've got a distinct platform there. And on the Taurus side, we're really focused on innovation, really focused on items like the Spectrum and the Judge and future products that we've got coming.
Some of the changes here at Taurus has been the addition of a new product development engineering team, which is able to go out, research needs in the marketplace, and then convey those needs to the factory. A result of that is what we have here. This is the new Taurus Raging Hunter. This is a 44 Magnum, 6-round cylinder. But one of the unique features that we have is a stainless steel ported barrel, and this shroud is aluminum, which cuts back on the weight. So ordinarily, you would look at a handgun outfitted like this and say, that revolver's got to be heavy, but with the aluminum shroud, it's not heavy at all. If we look back here at the extra padding in the grip area, this actually improves the cantilever action. So lighter weight up front, so we can have our substantial optic, and with the grip in back, and you can see I'm holding this with one hand and really not struggling that much.
You know, we've always been a company that's been known for innovation and kind of pushing that envelope on new product. And when I started here, I can remember us, you know, offering quite a big array of product every year at SHOT Show and getting that product out there and getting customer feedback. And I think over time what's happened here quite a bit is that we've started to look internally within this company and starting to develop our own, you know, engineering teams, product development teams, product managers here in the US. I think over my time here, that's been the biggest change.
At the end of the day, we've got to listen to the customer. And that's what's changed within Taurus now, is we are listening to the customer. We are developing new products that will continue to give us a manufacturing base in the US.
We've just announced that we're building a 200,000 square foot facility in Bainbridge, Georgia. It's an exciting journey for us. It really sets the path for Taurus going forward. All new products that we develop in the US will be built in Bainbridge, Georgia. This new facility will be state-of-the-art with brand new range facilities, production facilities, engineering facilities. It's going to be a complete R&D lab focused on the customer.